Hi everyone, I'm Shellie Geigle and I have another mini album for sale. This is my Blushing Rose album and it measures 7" by 9" and it has a 3.5" spine. And I'm going to take you around. And this is loose because when I do these I leave extra room so that when you do start putting your photos in, it gives you a little room to add those. The flowers on this are all handmade. This was actually made with one of the Heartfelt Creations 3D flip albums, and it was an album I taught in a tutorial so everybody could actually make this, and it does feature my DBS little gumdrop frame. These flowers, most of them, some of them, not all of them, were treated with the stickles, and I have some glossy accents on some of it. And we just have a lot of really fun things going on the cover, as you can see. So I'm going to open this up. And when I did the tutorial, and the tutorial is still viewable, the paper may be becoming discontinued if you wanted to make this yourself. I think my store, JS Hobbies and Crafts, still has a few of these paper pads left in case you wanted to. I believe I also still have some of the 3D flip albums in the store too for sale. We just had our big sale, our Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so we may be a little light on certain things as we flip inventory. Back to this though. Over here we have a large magnetic pocket, and we do have a handmade flower, and that just flips up and this flips down. So the idea with this was you can just plant your photos right here in the main base. You could actually use this spot for journaling, or if you have a small little crop photo, or just leave it alone. Down here is a pocket, and we die cut the trim in the tutorial using dies, and I believe we use dies throughout this one. But we have some picture mats here. They are not double-sided. And tags. Just kind of all slip back in there. Quite a few in this one. I don't think you'll be needing to add any. So it just kind of flips up and snaps down. Over here, this is really unique. This flips up and you can actually plant a photo right up there. These little guys, they're little pocket little things, and I want to show you how this works. This was something just new and different I wanted to make and do in the album. So this is just a little tag. This little area here is magnetic. So you flip these back. Well, I'll do it one at a time. And you can open it up and put two small photos. It's kind of cute. Same thing here. And you can use this spot for a portrait style photo. Just put your little tag in there. And I thought this page it did. Okay, so with this will actually pull over so you can get another page within the page. So it just kind of pulls over and you have this spot to put a lovely photo. Over here we have a pocket, couple pockets going on. And we have some picture mats. And a handmade flower. We have another pocket in the back. And these pull out and you just place your photos right here. Or you can do it on the back. Decorative. And let's see, we have one more thing right here, and it's a pocket at the top. Plant a photo. And it's double-sided. Just slides back in. Okay, so we flip that over, and looks like I got some sparklies everywhere here. All right, this will flip out, but up here I have this cute little hanger, and it just is clipped. I have this picture mat clipped on. There is a pocket, little pocket down here with some little picture mats, or use these as your journaling. And you can also use this spot for a photograph. There's a lot of fun little options with this. So this is going to fold out. And over here, that one clip I showed you is actually just holding on another one. And you don't even have to use that if you don't want to. So this is a place down here just to journal and just stick your photo. Over here, we have some pockets, and we have one right up front. Here is our next little pocket. And we have our next. Now with this, you saw that when I pulled it out, so it's right there. And they just slide back in. And they slide in snug, so they won't be wobbling around on you. Okay, over here we have a nice fold out, and I'll show you what this one's all about. We have a pocket down here, and we have several picture mats in here, as you can see, and tags. Right here we have another pocket, and this will accommodate either a portrait or landscape, or on the back. Here we have another one, pulls right out. Okay, and right up here we have one as well, but let's see. I forgot on this. Yep, you just push it down from the top. So it's got, and it's double-sided on that one. So it's got a lot of neat little things, and it's been so long since I made it, it's like rediscovering an album. Because I do so many, it's like, wow, what did I do in that or whatnot. But I believe this one was created with the heartfelt additional fold-out things that you can purchase. And it is snug to get these in, but they do fit. So they just kind of go right on in there. And you use the tabs to push them down. There. All right, so this just folds out, and we have a large pocket right here. And we have a couple picture mats. So on this picture mat here, some of the, and I want to show you this, some of the blue paper did come off, but it is going to be sold as is. Over here what we have are two little gates, and they just open up, and inside we have this, it's a pocket, and we have some picture mats, just slide on in there. And you can see how I have, it looks like I have added some solid colored cardstock to blend in with this paper collection to give me more. This one is really full. Over here we have our little clip, and it's just clipping on a couple of these, and you can plant your photo right here. We open this up, and what we have is a large pocket. Got some picture mats, handmade flowers. This is a fold out, and you can just put a photo right there. It folds out like this, and you can plant a photo over here if you'd like. Back here is a large pocket, and we have several picture mats. Here we have a double pocket. This thing does not, now just so you know, it has a magnet. This pocket is meant to pull down and snap back. So here we go. We have a couple of these, and back here is a pocket. And again, you just can pull this back, and whoops, the magnet's catching. Over here we have a large side pocket and some picture mats. Just slide right on in. Alright, so here What we have here is, this is a fold up and fold down. I have this little clip here which clips on these, and I'll show you how that works. That will flip up. It looks like we have a free-floating picture mat. Now one thing is I do see a smudge right here, so whoever buys this, please know. And you can also use this to cover it up. So because there are a couple smudges here and there, nothing really big, when you get this album, what you might want to do is just put some glue down and glue it down, and you will never see it. And those colors look awesome together. Here, what you have is the fold down part. You plan a photo here and here. This will fold out, and this folds out. And we have this beautiful waterfall. And I'm just going to keep flipping and flipping and flipping. And over here you can plan a photo. Okay, over here is a side pocket. It does not fold out, and I just stuck some picture mats in there. When you clip these on, okay, where it was here, you'll want to lift this up so you're not digging in, and I just wanted to kind of point that out so that you didn't dig into your other stuff. And then I believe this was, it went inside. Just clip that right there. Okay, so this folds down. We'll get to this in a moment. This has a clip, and this comes out, and you can plan a photo right here. You can open this one up, and you can plan a photo back here. Here's the other one that's clipped. And then right here is a great spot for a large photo. Over here, this folds out. You can put a photo here if you wanted. This folds out. This folds up. Here we have a large waterfall. And you flip it up. And you have tons of space. Looks like when somebody was looking at this inside of the store, I think perhaps this does supposed to go back. It does. It goes like this. That they had tucked it back behind. I just grabbed this off the shelf because it was time to sell. So remember, there are just a couple really minor smudges that I pointed out, or actually I found one smudge that I showed you, and then that one little picture mat on the side. So instead of being what I normally, I'll probably knock $10 off this album when I put this for sale over there. So if you are interested in purchasing this, it is going to be available on my eBay store probably by the time you click on the link below. Happy crafting, everybody!